back to the channel. So today we're going to be showing you how to install hybrid K-series shifter cable bushes. So firstly, thanks to Chuck for letting us borrow his car. We'll show you some panning shots in a minute. Yeah, we grabbed it from across the road. He literally got this back last night, so huge thanks to him. A lot of the time the bushes get really worn and it causes like awful shifting, so yeah, nice easy one to do, very quick, not that expensive, and yeah, let's go. Okay, so tools you're going to need, shifter bushes, whether it's like hybrid, Tegra, Acuity, anybody you want, just pick your favourite brand, as long as they're correct for your cables, that's the other thing. EP3 and DC5 cables are different, so in this one we're going with DC5 bushes. You need to take your intake off if you have one on there, so we got 10mm here. Shift retaining clips, pliers is quite handy for that, and to get bushes out, flathead, and also sometimes a shift retaining clip, depending on how much of a pain they are. That's it, that's all you need. Let's go to the car. So the shifter bushes from factory are normally rubber based, whereas the hybrid ones, if you can see them, are spherical. So 360-degree bearing, and they're much better for movement and much tighter. So we're going to be installing those today, which is going to be nice. Right, so what we're going to have to do is basically remove everything around it. We're going to have to take the intake off, we're going to have to take the shift retaining clips off, just to move the cables a bit, just so they don't break. And yeah, pull the bushes out, put the bushes back in, nice and easy. You need to remove both of the shift retaining clips. Going to do that now. So we've removed both of these clips. Now we can undo the split pins there and there, and then the cable should just come straight up. You do need to keep these because they go on either end just to like keep the bush in. So make sure you keep those and do not throw them away. Okay, so now the cables are out, time to remove the bushes. So we've got the bush out of here, so now we can go ahead, put the brand new hybrid one in, which will slot in like so. Nice and easily. There we go. Whilst we're here, brand new split pins, might as well use them. Nicer and shinier than the last ones that were in here. Alright, that one is all good. Now we just need to do this one and then we're all done. Okay, so both the hybrid bushes are now back in. We need to put these retaining clips on, so they sit over here. One of them's there, one of them's down here,